Abuse breaks your spirit in layers and convinces you that you're the one who broke it. Number six, the demonic spirit of fear, the trap that keeps you silent. I wanted to leave, but I couldn't. Fear tells you you'll never be loved again. No one will believe you. God is disappointed in you. This is the best you get. Fear paralyzes your faith. First John chapter 4 verse 18. There is no fear in love, but perfect love drives out fear. The enemy wants you afraid to walk away, afraid to start over, afraid to believe God again. But fear is a liar, and God breaks fear with truth and love.